Hi and welcome to my channel Security in Mind. Today I will show you a new way, well it is not that new, but I haven't really seen anyone talking about it for a long time. New way to learn about web cyber security. Using the conventional way of following OWASP is a really good way, but PortSwigger, the company that created Burp Suite, also created something called the Academy. So I'm already logged in to my account. If you don't know how to do that, you basically just need to sign up with your email. You get a link, you get a password, you can sign in, and that's about it. If you go and browse the Academy link, which is the page I'm at right now, you'll see that there is an overall scoreboard here. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see a lot of different topics you can challenge yourself with. All right, so let's enter the actual learning path here, and the learning path is split up into categories. For your first one is the good old SQL injection floor, go to topic, authentication, direct traversal, command injection, business logic vulnerabilities, information disclosure, access control, server-side request forgery, and cross-site scripting attack. All right, so let's pick the first one, the SQL injection, and basically it's a small tutorial telling you about what is SQL injection, and it's a video. It's all free, by the way. And then at some point a lab gonna appear, and whenever a lab gonna appear, you just click it and just wait a bit, and then you access the lab, and there is always a solution and a community solution. However, I would really emphasize for you guys that you do it yourself to learn the most out of it. Basically, this is it. Go to the Academy and let's see if we can get a all labs overview. You just scroll down, all labs, SQL injection, whoops. Go back please. And now we're gonna scroll down. Cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, clickjacking, dump-based vulnerabilities, cross-origin resource sharing course, XML entity injection, server-side request forgery, HTTP request smuggling, operating system command injection, server-side template injection, directory traversal, access control vulnerabilities, authentication, WebSockets, webcache poisoning, integrated deserialization, information disclosure, business logic vulnerabilities, HTTP host header attacks, OAuth authentication. This is kinda the golden key for many web security issues. If you go around and solve all these tasks, I promise you that you will be really, really good in your next web development job or adventure you're gonna have. Again, this is free. This is from PortSwigger, the guys who created Burp Suite. I suggest this as an alternative way for you to learn about cybersecurity in the web. There's nothing wrong about signing up for free services. Many people think that, oh, it is free, then it's not good. It is not true. Free is in most occasions really good, and in some occasions the best. So that's all I just wanted to share with you guys. So please go and sign up on PortSwigger, get your free account, and start hacking and understanding those vulnerabilities. See you again soon. Bye.